Hey everyone, welcome to Daily English Talk. I'm Emily, your curious explorer for today.
And I'm Paul, your knowledgeable mentor. Ready to dive into daily habits, Emily?
Don't forget about me, Haseeb. I'm the pragmatic realist here.
Of course, Haseeb. So, how do you guys start your day?
I usually start with a cup of tea and some light reading. How about you, Haseeb?
Coffee, definitely. Can't function without it.
Do you guys have any morning rituals for productivity?
I try to list 3 tasks for the day. It keeps me focused.
I prefer to wing it, but I do check emails first thing.
Interesting. What about breakfast? Essential or optional?
Essential for me. It fuels my day.
Optional, unless there's bacon.
Noted. So, any tips for staying organized?
Use a planner. It helps track what's important.
Or just stick sticky notes everywhere. Works for me.
Great tips. I might try both. Thanks, guys. Ready to explore more habits next time?
Absolutely, Emily. Looking forward to it.
As long as there's more coffee involved.
Speaking of morning routines, let me tell you about mine. I wake up early and start with some light exercises.
That sounds refreshing. Do you have a specific routine, Emily?
Yes, a mix of stretching and yoga. How about you guys?
My exercise is lifting the coffee mug repeatedly.
Classic Haseeb. I prefer a quick jog around the block.
Nice. Then I plan my breakfast. Keeps me energized. What about you, Paul?
I usually have oatmeal. Simple and nutritious.
I go for toast. Fast and easy.
Do you think breakfast affects your productivity?
Absolutely. It kickstarts the metabolism.
Never thought of it like that. Maybe I should rethink my toast strategy.
So, any tips on planning breakfast efficiently?
Prepare ingredients the night before. Saves time.
Or just have cereal. No prep required.
Good ideas. After breakfast, I think about my day. Helps me stay organized.
That's smart. A mental checklist can be very effective.
I just dive in and hope for the best.
Does planning your day help you, Paul?
Definitely. It sets priorities and reduces stress.
Maybe I should try that. Could make life easier.
You should. So, what's one thing you can't skip in the morning?
My tea. It's a must.
And coffee for me, of course.
We all have our essentials, don't we? Thanks for sharing, guys. Ready for more morning tips next time?
Always ready, Emily.
Just need my coffee first.
So, after breakfast, I dive into planning my workday. It's all about scheduling.
Do you use any tools for that, Emily?
Yes, I do. A digital calendar and a to-do list app. What about you, Paul?
I love my planner. Old school, but effective. How about you, Haseeb?
Sticky notes everywhere. My desk looks like a rainbow.
Nice. How do you prioritize tasks, Paul?
I use the Eisenhower box. Urgent versus important. What's your method?
I rank tasks by deadlines and importance. How about you, Haseeb?
I tackle the quickest tasks first. Feels productive.
How do you balance work with curiosity, Paul?
I schedule exploration time. Keeps learning fun.
I let curiosity lead. It's unpredictable, like me.
I love that. Any tips for staying flexible?
Leave some buffer time. Plans can change.
Agreed. Flexibility saves the day.
Thanks, guys. Ready to explore new habits next time?
Always ready, Emily.
As long as I've got my sticky notes.
Paul, what do you do in the afternoon to relax?
I like to unwind with a good book. It's my escape.
And I escape with a nap. Best reset button ever.
I might try that. Any favorite books, Paul?
I'm into historical fiction. It feels like a journey back in time.
Do you ever just zone out with some music?
Absolutely. Music is a great way to relax. Like a mini vacation.
I love that! Do you have any idioms for relaxation?
Sure. take it easy and kick back are common ones.
Or my favorite, chill out.
Those are great. They make relaxation sound so inviting.
They do. How about you, Emily? Any afternoon hobbies?
I enjoy painting. It's so calming, like therapy.
Do you have a creative process?
I just let the brush flow. It's freeing.
Sounds wonderful. It's important to have these outlets.
My outlet is binging on documentaries. Knowledge is power.
That's a good one, Haseeb. Any tips for balancing work and leisure, Paul?
Set clear boundaries. Work time is work time. Leisure time is sacred.
Agreed. You gotta recharge to be effective.
That's true. Thanks for the tips, guys. Ready for more next time?
Always, Emily.
With my nap scheduled, of course.
Paul, how do you wind down in the evening?
I like to watch a comedy show. Laughter is the best medicine.
I just stare at the ceiling, contemplating life's mysteries.
Do you have any tips for balancing work and personal time?
Set a strict cutoff time for work. It helps create boundaries.
Or just use an alarm to remind you it's time to relax.
That's smart. Does humor help with stress?
Definitely. It lightens the mood and keeps things in perspective.
A good chuckle is like a mini vacation.
Any favorite phrases for unwinding?
Take a breather and let off some steam are common ones.
Or my go-to, hit the pause button.
Those are great. How do you keep humor in your routine, Paul?
I try to find humor in small things. Keeps the day light.
I agree. It's the little laughs that count.
That's inspiring. Ready for more tips next time?
Always ready to share, Emily.
With a smile and a joke, of course. You know, my day feels like a roller coaster. 1 minute I'm on a call, the next I'm juggling emails.
Sounds hectic. How do you keep track of everything, Haseeb?
Sticky notes everywhere. Seriously, they're my lifesavers.
Any specific phrases you use to manage your time?
Time is money, and first things first. They keep me focused.
Those are practical. How do you recharge during the day?
Coffee breaks. They're my mini vacations.
Do you have a strategy for tackling tasks?
I do the easiest ones first. Quick wins boost my energy.
I like that approach. How do you handle unexpected tasks?
I adjust on the fly. Flexibility is key.
Sounds wise. Do you ever feel overwhelmed?
All the time. But I remind myself to take it one step at a time.
Do you use any apps or tools for productivity?
Just my phone's calendar. Simple yet effective.
Keeping it simple can be powerful.
Any other tips for staying on top of things?
Don't forget to laugh. It's the best stress buster.
Humor does make everything lighter.
So, what's your secret to ending a busy day on a positive note?
A good comedy show. It's the perfect unwind.
Laughter truly is great medicine.
Thanks for sharing your day, Haseeb. Ready for more tips next time?
As long as there's coffee involved.
Always here to learn and share, Emily.
So, Haseeb, what happens when your plans go sideways?
Happens all the time. I just roll with the punches.
Any phrases you use to stay flexible?
Go with the flow and play it by ear are my go-tos.
I love those. How do you adjust your routine?
I prioritize. What must be done gets done first.
That's practical. Do you find it stressful?
Sometimes, but I remind myself, take it easy.
Any tips for staying adaptable?
Keep calm and coffee on.
Humor helps, right?
Absolutely. It keeps stress at bay.
What about unexpected work tasks?
First things first. Focus on what's urgent.
Do you use any tools for quick adjustments?
My phone's calendar. It's simple and effective.
Sounds efficient. Any final tips for handling sudden changes?
Laugh it off and move on. Works every time.
That's a great mindset.
Thanks for the insights, Haseeb. Ready for more next time?
As long as there's more coffee.
So, comparing our routines. Paul, what's one habit you think we all share?
Definitely the need for a morning pick-me-up, be it tea or coffee.
True. We're all caffeine addicts here.
And what about our differences? What stands out?
My sticky note obsession, perhaps?
And my love for structure with the planner.
How does that affect your day, Paul?
It keeps me organized, everything in its place.
Well, I thrive on flexibility. Keeps things interesting.
That's fascinating. Do you think these habits affect productivity?
Absolutely. Structure helps prioritize tasks.
And flexibility lets me adapt quickly.
Any tips for finding a balance?
Try combining a planner with some buffer time.
Or just enjoy the chaos and roll with it.
Love it. Thanks for sharing, guys. Ready to explore more habits next time?
Always ready, Emily.
As long as there's no shortage of coffee.
So, we've got some viewer questions today. Excited to dive in?
Absolutely, Emily. What's the first question?
I bet it's about my sticky notes.
Close. Someone asked about organizing tasks. Any quick tips, Paul?
Use a priority matrix. It's simple and effective.
Or just tackle what's urgent first. Gets things moving.
Great advice. Another viewer asks about handling stress. Thoughts?
Deep breathing. It really helps to calm the mind.
Or my method, laugh it off.
Love it. Do you guys have a phrase for staying calm?
Keep your cool is a classic one.
I'd say take it easy.
Viewers also want tips for time management. Haseeb?
Use a timer. Keeps you on track.
And plan breaks. They're essential.
Thanks, guys. Ready for more questions next time?
Absolutely, Emily.
As long as there's coffee.
So, small habits, they really add up, don't they?
Absolutely, Emily. It's the little things that make a big difference over time.
Like my sticky notes, essential in my chaos.
True. What's one small habit you'd recommend, Paul?
I'd say reading a bit every day. It expands knowledge gradually.
Or just 5 minutes of laughter. Works wonders for stress.
Love those ideas. Viewers, share your habits with us.
Yes, we'd love to hear what's working for you.
And maybe steal some tips.
Any final thoughts, guys?
Small changes lead to big results. Keep it simple.
And don't forget to have fun along the way.
Thanks for joining us. Can't wait to hear from everyone.